How to set up a recurring investment. Recurring investments allow you to automate contributions to your Acorns accounts. You choose how much, how often, which day of the week suits you, and we'll take care of the rest. The easiest way to set up a recurring investment is through the Acorns Money Hub. Here's how. Open the Acorns app and tap the Money Hub button in the bottom navigation bar. Next, tap Scheduled. Then tap Set Recurring. Here, you'll see a list of all your accounts. You can set up a recurring investment for any of these accounts. Tap on the one you want to set up. Next, tap Amount. Choose the dollar amount. Tap Set Recurring Amount to save. Next, you'll choose the frequency of your recurring investment. Tap When. Choose between daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you've made your selection, tap Update to save. Your primary funding source will automatically be used for this recurring investment. Finally, tap Turn On to save your new recurring investment. That's it! You're all set. Your next investment will automatically happen according to the frequency setting you chose. With recurring investments, you don't have to think about when to invest. Acorns does the work for you. Staying consistent makes it easier to focus on the long term while giving your money the chance to grow. Set up a recurring investment today and let's grow your oak.